it's the BAYANG for me. I mean, it's the whole wig for me. I mean, I just
Bitch, do you know how motherfucking magical you are? Wait a minute. Girl.
she did not just pull up looking this cute. She really didn't pull up looking like that. No, she didn't. Yes, she did, girl. Shout out to Yolissa Hair, okay, on the wig. Thank you so much, Yolissa Hair, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to click those links down below. Because get into it. They sent me over this beautiful 26-inch Yaki straight U-part wig, y'all. This hair is everything. The hair is so thick, it's so full, it's such good quality. Y'all gonna hear me say that through this whole video because this wig just like literally blew my mind. As soon as I opened it, I was like, what, girl? Yes, you about to be cute. And guess what? She's cute, okay? So if y'all want to see how I got this slay, y'all see I got my bangs out with the U-part hem. So if y'all want to see this slay for today, okay, go ahead and stay tuned. So me and my girl here are about to get cute. One thing before I get started on this wig styling and everything, I want to show y'all that this just might be the best U-part wig I've had in a long time because baby, Yolissa, thank you. They put freaking wig clips where they need to put wig clips on a U-part wig. Do y'all know how many companies be putting in wig combs and they just be in awkward spaces on the U, and it just, you always gotta add your own wig clips? Pooh, they got it. They understand. Thank you so much. That right there is just everything to me. So they have wig clips at the spots you need them, right at the front and at the back, and they have wig clips, honey, all around. Like, this is just such a good quality wig. It's so thick. Y'all see all this hair, like the density on this is crazy. Look how, like, it's just so full, and the hair is such good quality. Like, Yolissa, y'all did y'all thing on this U-part, honey. So I am excited to get this on, but before we get it on, y'all know I'll style my wigs before I pop them on my head. It makes everything so much easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it. I am doing some crimpy crimp. So I got my little crimp iron here, and we about to get her cute. Got my girl, got my styling over here. She cute. I decided I did not like them crimps. They just wasn't giving what they was supposed to be giving. Like, they just, I don't know. I wasn't really feeling the crimps. So, y'all seeing, I sleeked her out. Y'all, I am just, do you see that? Like, this hair, her ponytail is so healthy. I mean, this wig is just so beautiful. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty and full. So I'm about to pop this thing on. I normally do a middle part, but y'all know I got bangs. Should I try to do bangs? We gonna try to do some bangs with this U part. That's what we about to do. All right, I'm back. I had to change that part because I was gonna do it on the side, but we're gonna do these bangs, honey, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna just pop this thing on. to BAYANG for me. I mean, it's the whole wig for me. I mean, this is just giving grown, sexy. This is giving sleek. This is giving full. This is giving stiff wow. This is giving thin ends wow. This wig is everything. I don't even know what else to say. This is an amazing wig. Such good quality. This is one of the thickest wigs I have ever had. Like, the hair on this wig is just, it's top tier. So shout out once again to Yolissa Hair. Okay, they got your girl looking right. They got the U-part wigs for you. Get you some body addy with this hair, honey. It is U-part season, honey. Go get you one. I am all for a natural look, and U-parts be giving. U-parts be giving. This is your hair. Like, who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. How would they know? So thank you once again, Yolissa Hair, for sponsoring today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching, my boss boos. I love y'all so much. Make sure to thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below and subscribe and join the Boss Boo crew. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram because I will be posting some pics today because I think I'm a little cute today or whatever. So go follow me on the gram to see some cute pictures. Thank y'all once again for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace out, girl.